You are watching HOBBYKIT, a one-stop tech gear.
In this video, I'm going to explain how to install Windows FILMORA without having a watermark. Yes, you heard right. You need not to purchase this application and rather you install it free without watermarks. So for that, click on the link given in the description to download Windows FILMORA X software. As soon as you open the link, it will be appeared like this and click on download button and select the path where you want to install this application. And then if you observe carefully, there is another link in the description. So please click on that link and you will be opening a window like this. 1 second, I will be opening the link. Yes. You will be directed to this page and then click on the download code button and download as a zip folder. Select the path where you want to download it. In my case, I want to download it in my desktop and click on save. Yes. Now right click on this and click on extract here. So you will be found a folder. Open the folder, click on the crack folder and select the all files present in the crack folder. Just Ctrl C. Okay, now after successful installation, click on the Windows FILMORA's app, right click and select open file location. And in this location, you need to paste the files which you are copied from the crack folder. That's it. Now you are free to use Windows FILMORA X software. So let me explain. So let me give you a proof to you.